All right, so looking at this last page, okay, starting at question number 15, um, we got more scientific notation because it said the average width of a human hair is 18 millionths of a centimeter. No, 18 ten thousandths of a centimeter, right? Write this number in scientific notation. So again, I'm going to take my decimal and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 so I can get 1.8. And then that's going to be times 10 to the negative 3. All right, so now I am going to go from scientific notation to decimal form. And again, when I have a number, right, all I got to see is my end positive or if it's negative. If it's positive, I'll go right with my decimal. If it's negative, I'll go left with my decimal. So this is saying go 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. And notice I'm like drawing like cup holders so that I can get my zeros in there because those are actually my placeholders. So my final solution is going to be 0.0083. Right? And again, if we wanted to verify those, okay, we would say 1.8 going back to 15 times 10 to the negative 3. Well, maybe I should raise it to the power of negative 3. And we get 0.0018. And same thing, if we took 8.3 times, geez, raised to the power, oh my lord, times 10 to the negative 3, again, we get 0.0083. All right, so same thing. We have the 9.1. Now we're going to move the decimal 6 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put in there my 5 zeros. And this is 9,100,000. Right? And again, if we wanted to check that, 9.1 times 10 to the positive 6. And we get 9,100,000. All right. So as of the second quarter, here, hold on. Let me clear this screen so that calculator is not on there. All right. So as of the second quarter of 2018, Facebook had 2.38 times 10 to the ninth monthly active users. Convert this number to decimal form, right? And so this is like scientifically, like you will never see a science write out this big old number, whatever this number is about to be, which is going to be huge, right? So again, you're going to just take your K value, 2.38, and now I'm going to just move my decimal to the right 9 times. So 1, 2, and now, like, if you haven't picked on this little pattern, picked up this pattern yet, it's just going to be 7 zeros, right? So I moved it already 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm going to put my zeros in there. All right, and so that is 2,380,000,000 users for Facebook in 2018 per month, right? So in my statistics class, we would take this and we would say if that trend continued, how many Facebook users are there as of April 2025, right? So that's just something we do in statistics. All right, at any rate. So question 19, same thing. So I'm just going to work my product rule. It just happened to be in scientific notation. So I'm going to just say 4.2 times 2 times 10 to the 6 plus 2, right? Because my product rules just say add my exponents if my bases are the same. So 4.2 times 2 is going to be 8.4 times 10 to the 8th, right? And if you go to your calculator, let me say 4.2 times 10 to the 6. Notice I'm using my parentheses so that my calculator can follow the order of operations. And we're going to say times 2 times 10 squared. And we get, what's that? 8, 1, 2, 3, 840 million. which if we took 8.4 times 10 to the 8th, we get the exact same solution. Okay, same with division. I'm going to take my numbers and divide them. So 7.5 divided by 3 is going to be that 2.5? Yeah, 2.5. And then that's going to be times 10 to the 25th minus 22, which is going to be 2.5 times 10 to the third, which if we was to write this out, that would be 2,500. All right, so we wanted to check that. Again, parentheses, 7.5 times 10 to the 25th. Close my parentheses, divide that by 3 times 10 to the 22nd. And we get 25 to the E. Whoa, 2.5 to the E. All right, so let's see what we did wrong. Oh, did I do to, oh, I didn't put my 10. I didn't put a 0 in there. I was about to say. Okay, 0. Okay, now we should be good. 2,500, right? Which is the same as 2.5 times 10 to the third, which again is 2,500. All right, so hopefully, if there was mistakes made, you see where they are, where you made them at. Now you can clean up your notes a little bit as we move into um, your exponent powers and things of that sort. All right, talk to you shortly.